Welcome back to the channel, your daily source for the most talked about stories from India and around the globe. Today, we are diving into a major crisis facing medical aspirants, a wild weather shift across the country, and some fascinating answers to questions you have been searching for. Let us jump right in. First up, a wave of anxiety is sweeping across the country's medical aspirants. The qualifying cutoff marks for the NEET-UG exams have seen a massive, unexpected rise. This sharp increase has left students in absolute panic. Even those scoring between 500 and 600 marks, scores that traditionally guaranteed a spot, are now terrified that a coveted government medical college seat might slip right through their fingers. The competition has reached an all-time high, leaving students and parents questioning what the future holds for this year's admissions. If you are an aspirant, how are you coping with this news? Let us know in the comments below. Speaking of rising temperatures and pressure, let us look at the actual weather, starting with the national capital. If you are in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, or Ghaziabad, you have likely been sweating through some intense heat and humidity today. While there were isolated showers earlier this morning, the overall forecast remains sticky and dry for now. But do not lose hope just yet. A major weather shift is on the horizon. Rain chances are set to increase significantly this Sunday, promising some much-needed relief from the scorching heat, with the wet spell likely continuing into Monday. And Delhi is not the only region waiting on the rain gods. Down south, Andhra Pradesh is also battling scattered showers and sticky, humid conditions this week. If you are in Visakhapatnam, keep your umbrellas handy because Sunday is predicted to be the wettest day of the week with high chances of heavy downpours. Meanwhile, Vijayawada will have to wait just a bit longer, as its rain chances are set to peak by Monday. Now, shifting gears from the weather to some fascinating cultural insights. Have you ever wondered about the origins of certain dietary traditions, specifically, which religion prohibits eating cows? The answer lies predominantly in Hinduism. While it is not a rigid, absolute ban enforced on every single individual, the cow holds an incredibly sacred status in Hindu culture. Revered as a symbol of life, motherhood, and the earth's bounty, the cow is afforded immense respect. For the vast majority of Hindus, avoiding beef is a deeply spiritual choice rooted in non-violence and respect for all living creatures. Speaking of majestic animals, let us talk about one of nature's most stunning and rare creatures, the white tiger. How long do these beautiful animals actually live? Well, their lifespan depends heavily on their environment. In the wild, survival is tough due to habitat loss and hunting challenges. However, in captivity, where they receive top-tier veterinary care and regular meals, white tigers can live anywhere from 10 to 20 years. Their striking blue eyes and white coats make them a marvel to look at, but they require immense conservation efforts to thrive. That is a wrap on today's top stories. Which of these updates surprised you the most? If you found this video informative, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.